Hi everyone, this is Aryan. Welcome to my YouTube channel Night Trader Neo. In this video, I will be demonstrating how we can install VS Code in our Windows machine. In the previous video, I had explained how we can install the same VS Code in Linux. I had used Ubuntu operating system, and in this one, I will be using what you call Windows. So first we will open Chrome and then we will search for VS Code here. You guys can see in the screen, yes. So on searching VS Code, we will get a official website of it, that is code.visual studio. Here either you can click the download option, but I guess if this one is not available, let me guide you from the start. We will open the official website. There on the uh, top navigation bar, we can see a download option here. Once we will click or then we will select, since we are using Windows, so we will click on Windows one and it is being downloaded. See, since I have already downloaded, I will not re-download it. So once you have downloaded it, you can go to the file location. Let me open my file location. Downloads. Yep. So this is the file. You will be getting this one, and to open it, we will simply double click it. Once we double click it to install, we will get a menu box like this one. Here I will first accept the agreement. If you guys have time, you can read all way from top to bottom. I don't have much time. I will just go for with the plain installation. I trust these guys. There will not be any hidden agenda. So I accept the agreement. We will check this radio button. Then next, and here it is asking to, like, what will be the location of our what will be the location of our mm, application. So I will install it for local user. So for local user, the directory is C users Aryan app data local programs Microsoft Visual. So I won't change anything with it. I will click next. Okay. Yeah, don't create a start menu folder. Okay, don't create a start menu folder. I will click it. Next we have to click check some options like create a desktop icon. Then sorry for the interruption. Then we will check this open with code on file context and directory menu context also. Okay, add to path and rest of the things are already clicked. So we will go with next and install. And that is how we do it. Okay, it is quite fast. Let me see how much. Okay, okay, this is the power of using SSD. Within few seconds, this was installed. Okay, and the launch Visual Studio Code is checked. So finish, and now I will get up, like my VS Code will open. Okay. So as you guys can see, and also see, this is the Visual Studio Code. This is dark mode, and if you guys have a account created in it, you can sign it in it. I will also sign it, like how we can sign it. Yeah, backup and sync settings. Sign, yeah, here you can. Let me guide you again. On the bottom left corner, you will get a gear like icon, that is for settings, that is manage here. On clicking it, you will get backup and sync settings. Once you click this, on the top you will get a drop down box. There you can see the option please sign into backup and sync your data across devices. We will go with the sign in. What we have, I have a Microsoft account, so I will click on sign in with Microsoft. Then it will guide us to okay. So for security reasons, I guess I will pause this video. You guys can fill the email, then I will show you. Okay, now I am back after signing in, and you can see that the settings are being synced. I have okay profile here. I guess I will see my account is like signed in, and there are a couple of extensions that I would like you to have installed. Let me okay .NET tools. These I think yeah, auto close tag. This is for HTML. Auto rename tag for HTML. Okay. Then I have C++. You guys can have it. CMake. Okay, these things I will guide you as the video progresses. So that was all for the, okay. Now let me show you how we can open Visual Studio Code. Would you like to cancel it? No, I won't cancel it. So what was the right button that I let me? Okay, so here it is. So more options. Here we can see that when I open with code, this directory that is downloads, downloads will open. And if I have a file, let me like open in terminal. How we can touch command is there a.txt. Touch command is not recognized. Okay, touch command. Okay, notepad a.txt. You cannot file. Yes, create a new file. Got it. Control save. Okay, now I guess we have this file. Do we have? Yes. Okay, now when I right click it, there will be option with open with code. So more options I do have open with code. Yeah, this is the one option that I was talking about. We get it when we check that open the thing that I showed you there, the last one to check. Anyways, so that was all for this video. Let me delete this. Okay, better shift delete. Yeah, for to permanently delete it, we can use the shortcut shift and delete. This will delete the permanently without keeping it in recycle bin. Anyways, so that was all for this installation of VS Code. I hope you guys uh, will find it quite easy and will go to and will not face any problem. However, if you face any problem, feel free to ping me in the comments. Okay, thank you guys. Have a nice day.